3 of my favorite moves to do super quick if you're in a rush and you want to do a quick depuff. Slather up your face with your favorite face oil. I just did that, so the only thing on my face is oil, and I'm gonna do my 3 favorite moves. The first one, you don't need the gua sha stone for, just the 2 tips of your thumbs. If your thumbnails are long, use your pointer fingers. You're going to place your finger on the inside of your eye, let the weight of your head fall down onto your fingers. Do a 5-second count, and then you're going to push the finger out, draw underneath the brow bone, stopping here at the temples for a little circle. Then bring your whole hand down, dip a little bit under your ears, and spread out. You want to draw that fluid to your lymph nodes down here and just keep spreading it out. Repeat that 5 to 10 times every morning. The next one is with the balls of your fingers, just lightly roll inwards. Do this 10 to 15 times. You don't want to clog any ducts here. You just want to encourage movement. Okay, the next move is underneath here in the jaw. If you continue to train this area, you won't get this receding or pockets that start to happen here where people feel like their age is showing and their skin is starting to sag. So you can do that with a gua sha stone using either of these types of sides. 25 strokes this way, use the longer side on the bottom, or something that's shaped like this, same thing. If you have a slightly longer side, use that on the bottom. You want to make sure that you're hugging here and here. Okay, so the last thing that's super important is make sure that you're drawing the fluids somewhere, right? So the way that your skin is going to depuff, that puffiness has to go somewhere. So you would start by activating your lymph nodes here, pressing 5 to 6 times, then massage a little bit underneath the ears, and every time you draw fluid anywhere, give it a place to go. Spread it out nicely over your collarbone. It would be better if this wasn't here and you could spread just all the way over the collarbone. Repeat each of these steps 25 times and you will see a great depuff in the morning. The last thing that I would do, if you want an at-home way to plump your lips without any type of filler, is this. Take 2 stones, come on either side of your lip. You'll start to see this will really fill these lines for you just by using your face muscles. Pull outwards, outwards. Do this 25 times. You can feel the muscles underneath. See how that Cupid's bow is just popping right up? It's all your own facial muscles. You don't need any kind of product or filler or needles or anything that's going to move or shift or cause any kind of toxins to be in your body. All right, 25 times. You can already see how that's just starting to rise there along the sides of my lips. I've never had any fillers in here. I just do face exercises. And then you do the same thing on the bottom. And you're basically pulling away and allowing the lip to plump itself and exercise the muscle, which is going to increase circulation and plump that area by itself. That's it. My 3 favorite steps, plus the bonus lip one.